Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super delicious sopita de pollo con fideo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1 small onion, 2 garlic cloves, 4 guajillo chile pods, 1 chile ancho, 7 ounces of fideo, 2 small potatoes, 1 calabacita or zucchini, 1 cup of baby carrots, a handful of cilantro, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. So here, I'm going to begin by removing the skin of my drumsticks. But of course, that's totally optional. Okay, so once we remove that, we're just going to create 2 slits. And just repeat it to the rest of the chicken. And once we have them, we're just going to pat them dry. And here we're just going to season with our favorite chicken seasoning, or you can just use salt and black pepper. So just make sure you get it all over. And then once we have our chicken, now we can get ready to begin cooking. To a small saucepan, add the Roma tomatoes along with the chile pods. Going to cover them with water. Set it over high heat and bring them to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, now we're just going to transfer all to the blender cup. So now we can get ready to make our sauce. To the blender cup, we're also going to be adding our onion, 2 garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon, ground cumin, and black pepper. And we're going to be blending with 4 cups of water. Now just blend it into smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can take it back to the stove. Okay, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add in our chicken. And we're just going to be searing for 1 minute per side. Okay, after the minute, we're going to flip our drumsticks over. And just allow that side to get nice and seared. Alright, so after another minute, we're going to remove our chicken. Here I'm going to be adding a little bit more oil. Add the onion. Going to begin to saute it for a couple minutes. So after a few seconds, we're going to add our fideo. And now we're just going to lightly fry it. This will take about 5 minutes. Alright, so once the fideo is nice and golden, we're going to remove it from the pot. Alright, so once we remove the fideo, now we're going to get ready to add our sauce. Okay, and along with that, 6 cups of water. Okay, now here I'm going to be adding my salt. And now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Once our caldito comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And now we're just going to get ready to add our drumsticks. Now cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes over medium heat. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, we're going to open it. Here we're going to add our potatoes along with our carrots and fideo. And we're just going to do this in steps, so like that everything cooks properly. And then just give it a good mix. Cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, we're going to lastly add our calabacitas along with the cilantro. Now we're just going to allow it to continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes or until all of our vegetables are nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 7 minutes, all of our vegetables should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check them. They're nice and soft. And our chicken and everything is done. So our delicious caldo de pollo con fideo is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I like to serve my sopita with, of course, some lime juice. And I like to top it with some queso fresco. And always my sopita de fideos, I have to enjoy them with some taquitos de jalapeño con queso. But I am so ready. Let me tell you, right now I have a house full of sick kids. So right now, this sopita right here, it's honestly perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good, so flavorful, so perfect. And it's not spicy. Of course, you can always make it spicy, you know, by adding some chile de árbol. But this right here is just perfect. The chicken. So good. The perfect combination right here. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious sopita de fideo con pollo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.